Bitcoin is on its way to the bull market. This is very clear and very obvious since around the 16K area. We've already gone up almost 100%, and this trend is pretty obvious. We are in an uptrend, and you could see by these channels that I've drawn that Bitcoin will continue this upward movement. The main area we have to look for is the 32K 30 level, where we have this pocket of resistance that we rejected before. So what I'm looking for here is a complete pump out of here, but it's not all that bad if we get a somewhat slight rejection, because this trend line right here has held very nice. So we can go retest this and keep going our way up. But I think in reality that might not happen. I think we might consolidate here at this level and then make our push up towards 40K. I think that'll happen very soon, very fast. So you have to be on the lookout. You have to watch the market action and the price of what's going on, because we have some recent news that has come out that the BlackRock hedge fund has filed for a Bitcoin ETF, which will be the start of many hedge funds that will also file for ETF, which will bring lots of big money, lots of investors into the market, which hasn't happened since the start of Bitcoin. Hedge funds and big business corporation money has not been flowing into Bitcoin, whether they've been buying it on the side or through a back door. It hasn't been a public option for corporate investors to make an investment in Bitcoin, because regulations, SEC laws and rules, everything that goes on there, they want to do it the right way, legally, and follow the rules. So once a BlackRock ETF is approved, that will bring in a huge flow of capital into Bitcoin, which will just be the start. We see we've been in this massive consolidation here, about 400 days or so, where we've been in a complete low level bear market area like this. But once you break these crucial levels, we're just staircasing. We're staircasing up. Not much to see. We're just going, and we're gonna see in the next 2 years or so a massive push with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well. So this is a very good time to enter, very good time to start getting your positions in for the next few years or so, because generally the trend will go up over the next 2 years or so. Expecting a push, something like that. We're easily going to break all-time highs by 2024, 2025. So I think that's a very conservative estimate. If we see something like this, where you see this right here mimics this right here, we almost see the same setup. A low, a climb back up, consolidation, pump, rejection, real tight squeeze, and then take off. So that's technically where we're at. And if you want to mimic that right there, the pump to consolidation to squeeze, we're looking all-time highs by January 2024, but it might not play out that way. We might elongate it a little bit. In about a year from now, I'm pretty confident that we will break all-time highs with Bitcoin, and this is the trend you got to look for. This is the most likely case scenario, and if you're not in this space right now, I highly encourage you to get in, get educated, and understand what is happening with the big players in the game, the retail investors, and the market cycles. Because at this level, right here, about March or April, is the next Bitcoin halving, where the miners' rewards for each Bitcoin block gets cut in half. I believe it's gonna go from 6 to 3.25, something around there, and this will create lots of demand in the Bitcoin and the whole crypto space. So those are things to watch out for. Look out for my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this. If you want more, if you want me to analyze any other assets, let me know down in the comments. And thank you.